Hey guys, Jennifer here, and welcome to a special two-part road trip bunches of lunches. This week we are sharing our lunches and our activities from the road. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get started. Good morning guys! So we left Flagstaff this morning. We had a really good breakfast at our hotel. Now we're supposed to be headed to New Mexico today. But we're gonna make a quick stop and see a Meteor Crater. The kids have never been there, I've never been there, and it sounds interesting and educational, so that's where we're going. Now, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that this right here is the crater itself. So yeah, that's massive. Let's go check it out. Right over there is a huge Meteor Crater. You wanna go check it out?
Yeah, crater. Something crashed there and we're gonna go
It's gonna be cool. You wanna see it too?
Yeah.
It's got a museum and everything.
It crashed down and we're gonna go.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's remember to use the bathroom when we're done. Before we get back in the car, okay?
Okay.
Who's excited to see this?
Me!
Me too! Sounds really interesting.
I thought I really wanted to go in there.
Is it spinny? Go in with Daddy.
Step in here.
Go in with Daddy. He's scared. Don't be scared. Do you guys know what that is? It's like a jackalope. More stairs. We're getting our steps in today, that's for sure. Be careful, hold on. I think your shorts are falling down. Should we go into the minerals or the museum first? Let's go check out the movie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go learn about it. I want you to pay attention to the movie so you can learn all about meteors. Okay, pay attention. So this Meteor Crater is actually the best preserved one on Earth, you guys. And even though it left such a big impact, scientists think that the meteor itself was only about this big. There's a window over there. If you look through it, you can actually see the crater. Yes. It's that window right over there. Let's go check it out. It's gonna be big.
Can see it.
Whoa. What do you guys think?
Cool. Can we go on that platform?
So here's what it would look like if you were standing at the bottom of the crater. Except we're in the museum, where it's nice and cool. Are you guys almost ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Let's check outside and then we'll have lunch.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we were having a hard time deciding on where to have lunch. We really wanted to try something New Mexico style, but we didn't have a lot of time to stop and have lunch at an actual restaurant. So we found a McDonald's that has a special kind of cheeseburger that includes green chilies on top. So I've heard that that is very New Mexico style. So the kids are gonna give it a try. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Are you doing good?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's see what Jackson thinks. Okay, now Lily's turn. Does it taste spicy?
I don't know. Oh, careful.
Good?
Yep.
Is it a thumbs up? Daddy has a surprise for you.
I get the Cookaboo. I got Woody. I got the Trixie Hammer. I got number 6.
Okay, so the kids were liking the cheeseburger, until they got to the green chilies. And then it was really spicy.
I still like it.
Was it spicy?
Yes.
Was it spicy for you? Was it spicy for you? No, you liked it?
I liked it. Y'all.
Now it might be kind of hard to tell, but we are at the Magnolia Market Silos and we're hoping to find some lunch here, but it's like 100 degrees. Do you think it's 100 degrees?
It's not too bad.
I don't know.
It's humid.
It's hot to me, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to stay for too long, but I definitely want to check out the food trucks and the little shop inside. Are you ready to go, mister?
Yeah.
Are you hungry for lunch?
Let's go.
Look how cute this is. There's so many different food trucks. There's places to sit and hang out. Check it out. So I've heard that there is a restaurant here, but we're not really wanting to sit down and take a long time for lunch. We're gonna check out all these different little food carts and then we'll decide what we wanna have. Looks like we have some snow cones. That's a really good choice because it's so hot. This one is all about gourmet grilled cheeses, which I love grilled cheese. That might be a good choice for us. Check out this little wind stream. This one has cupcakes and lemonade. And this one has sweet tea. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of sweet tea. You guys would probably guess what this one has. Burgers, of course. This one has sandwiches and rice bowls. That sounds yummy. Ooh, a juice bar. That sounds healthy. We found the pizza truck. Is it open? I'm not sure. It might be too hot for pizza though, I don't know. Oh, here's a barbecue truck. I really do want to try some Texas barbecue while we're here, but I'm not sure where the best place is. Guys, let me know if you have a favorite barbecue place in Texas. Let me know in the comments down below. Ooh, hot dogs, corn dogs. I think the kids are gonna probably pick this one. Either this one or the grilled cheese. Maybe we'll get a little bit from here and a little bit from there and then we'll all just share. Ice cream! This looks like it's the very last little truck and this one has gelato. And you guys, the prices are pretty good. Yeah, looks like a lot of good choices. Hey miss, what sounds good? Grilled cheese, hot dog, corn dog. What sounds good to you?
Corn dog. Corn dog. Corn dog.
It's looking pretty popular today. Even though it's so hot, there's lots of people here. Oh good, it looks like we found a shady spot to have lunch. Perfect.
Looks yummy.
Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. First we got some grilled cheese sandwiches from Cheddar Box. This one's regular, I know the kids will like that one. And here's a gluten-free one for my husband. We also ended up with one cupcake to split. This is a peach flavor? Ooh, peach pie. Check out these forks, you guys. It's almost like Sprinkles cupcakes. We also got a sweet tea for the kids to try. They're a little unsure about sweet tea. They've never tried it before. Over here we have a brisket melt sandwich. Apparently this is their most popular item at the barbecue truck. So it's kind of like a grilled cheese but with barbecue brisket. Looks really good, maybe a little bit messy. And then we also got a big old corn dog. It's almost as big as the ones from Disneyland, so I think they're gonna like it. So we got plenty of things to share. Let's see if they're good. Ooh, it's extra cheesy. Who wants to try some? You give it a thumbs up?
Wait.
There you go, Griffin.
Thumbs up on the grilled cheese?
2 thumbs up.
What do you guys say? Thumbs up, thumbs up? Ooh, it's super cheesy. Here's a closer look at that gluten-free one. What is there, bacon inside? Ooh, fancy. Are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and try it. You like it? Okay, Kenzie's turn.
Your turn, Ken.
Okay, Jackson's turn. Good? What was your favorite part of that lunch?
The corn dog, the muffin, and the grilled cheese. That was it.
Yeah, I think the barbecue sandwich was so good. That was definitely my favorite, but definitely messy too.
Yeah.
Okay guys, lunch was really good, but kind of greasy, so the kids are gonna go play over there for a little bit, and I'm gonna go check out the store. I've been told that it's not, there's a lot of breakable things in there, so I think I'm just gonna go look by myself. I'll show you a couple of things that I find, and then we'll get back on the road. It's all very cute, but it's also really crowded in here. I have to say, I'm loving the AC, it's so nice. I found my section, all the kitchen items. I didn't even realize there was a whole another section, but I do have to say that this part is not air conditioned. It's quite hot in here. But look how pretty, I love all this stuff. Okay guys, that was really fun, but I know these guys are waiting out here for me in the hot, hot weather, so.
See you tomorrow!
Good morning guys, and happy Friday. Today we are leaving Texas and we're going to drive all the way to Mississippi. Now we were going to go down south, but I really wanted to visit New Orleans. Since there's lots of storms happening right now, we're going to take a different route. Oh yes, and as we're driving, I'm going to be working on the thumbnail for the video that's going out today, which is a 24-hour road trip with 4 kids video. If you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Okay friends, so we are passing through Louisiana on our way to Mississippi, and I looked up on my Yelp app. Anytime we're traveling and I'm looking for something for lunch, I just pull up my Yelp app and it recommended this place. It's called PoBoy Express, and we're gonna give it a try. Okay guys, so we picked up our sub sandwiches, or as they call them here, po' boys, and we are looking for a local park so we can kind of have a little picnic before we head over to Jackson. Yes, to Jackson. But look at these neighborhoods, you guys. Check out these houses. They're like huge. Check out that one. And that one too. They're so pretty. And I don't know if you can hear that, but the bugs here are super loud. This is definitely not like back home in California. We don't have houses like that there. So we found the park. We got our sandwiches, let's go.
Yeah!
Now my phone is saying that it's only 96 out here, which isn't too bad, especially compared to California. But the humidity, I think, makes it a lot more intense feeling because it feels hotter than 96. This is definitely different than back home. Are you hungry?
Yeah, and order this.
Okay guys, so here we have a couple of our sandwiches. I'll go ahead and open that up for you in a second so you can see. But these sandwiches did come with some gravy, and I guess you're supposed to dip it in the gravy. Hopefully that's not too spicy. We also picked up some of these Louisiana style chips, the little voodoo chips. And for fruit today, I'm just gonna give the kids these Go-Go Squeeze pouches, nice and easy. And for our veggies, we have a couple of these trays with tomatoes, carrots, and broccoli. Unfortunately, we're out of ranch, but that's okay.